The Harvey Randall Wickes Foundation is a private foundation that exists to support good works that have some nexus to the citizens of Saginaw County. Mr. Wickes formed his foundation because it was a way to do good works in perpetuity. We could get in a car and drive around for hours and point out things that probably wouldn't exist but for the presence of the Wickes Foundation. And that's the sort of impact that I think that Mr. Wickes hoped to achieve when he created the foundation. You strive as an individual to be able to, in some little way, improve the community. You come someplace and you hope to leave it a better place. At the end of the day, as you get towards the end of your career, that's actually more satisfying than what paycheck you took home or many other things you did. The fact that you somehow made your community a better place is something that ultimately I think brings you happiness as you grow older. I believe that his support and in the creation of Saginaw Valley College and now Saginaw Valley State University was more driven by his love of the area and his belief that having a university located in mid-Michigan was good not only for the students but for area businesses and the area generally. The football team's playing in Wickes Stadium and students are attending classes in Wickes Hall. He was a man of great vision, but I don't think even Mr. Wickes could have envisioned what the tiny little college that he was first involved with, how that has evolved into the university that exists today. We work very hard not to lose sight of the fact that it's not my money that we're giving away, it's not the board's money that we're giving away, it's Mr. Wickes' money. It's important to all of us that we act in a way that if he were here, he'd be proud of the job that we're doing. And hopefully the answer would be yes.